What causes HVAC systems to lose cooling capacity? HVAC systems usually lose cooling capacity because of dirty filters, blocked airflow, refrigerant problems, dirty outdoor coils, or aging and damaged parts. A dirty air filter is one of the most common causes because it blocks air from moving through the system. When airflow is weak, the indoor coil can become too cold and freeze, which prevents the system from cooling properly. Make sure the filter is replaced or cleaned as often as the manufacturer recommends, often every 1 to 3 months. The outdoor unit also needs clear space, because grass, leaves, dust, and furniture can block the coil from releasing heat. Turn off power before gently cleaning visible dirt from the outdoor coil, and keep plants at least 2 feet away. Low refrigerant is another cause, but refrigerant does not normally get used up, so a low level often means there's a leak that needs professional repair. A helpful detail many people do not know is that ice on the refrigerant lines does not mean the system needs more refrigerant automatically. It can also point to poor airflow or a dirty coil. Leaky ducts, especially in hot attics or crawl spaces, can waste cooled air before it reaches the rooms. Finally, weak capacitors, failing motors, blocked drains, or an old compressor can reduce cooling, so unusual noises, repeated freezing, or short cycling should be checked by a qualified technician. Do not keep running the system while the indoor coil is covered in ice because that can damage the compressor. Turn it off and use the fan setting to help it thaw. Do not simply add refrigerant without finding the leak, because the system may cool briefly while the same problem returns and refrigerant can harm the environment. Do not judge performance only by the temperature of one vent, because closed dampers, duct leaks, or poor insulation may be the real problem. Check whether the rooms cool evenly and whether airflow feels normal. If the filter, outdoor clearance, and thermostat setting are correct but cooling remains weak, arrange a professional inspection. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.